Welcome to 2 minutes of Vipassana meditation. Let's begin by gently closing your eyes and bringing your full attention to your breath. Feel the air as it enters through your nose and leaves through your nostrils. No need to control the breath, just observe it as it is. Natural, effortless, flowing. Now bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Feel the touch of air, the weight of your body on the ground. Any warmth, tingling, or stillness. Don't react. Just watch with total awareness and total acceptance. If thoughts come, simply notice them and return to your breath again and again. This is Vipassana, the art of seeing things as they are. Thank you very much meditating with me. May you be peaceful and present.